Hello, my ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm here in Farsta, Stockholm, Sweden. So I'm gonna drive a truck from here to Jordbro, Stockholm, Sweden. So let's go and let's drive. I will take the motorway soon to Nynäshamn. And I will take the the right side to Jordbro when I come to Jordbro. Yes, I'm here in Stockholm. The motorway 73, number 73 motorway to Nynäshamn. So let's go. Here, the right side, you can go to Länna, Huddinge and Gladö. Only two fields to Nynäshamn and Jordbro, so because I changed my file here. file going to look at here. Haninge, Handen and Brandbergen and Tyresö. But these two files going to Nynäshamn and Jordbro. So let's go. Here is 100 km per hour, but I drive only 80 because I have too much beton in my car. So it's 7.5 on the health. I don't know how you say. So I have too much beton here. So yeah, I don't wanna crash something wrong my car. So, and when you drive a truck, so you can't drive more than 90 per hour, but I will drive all the time 80, max 80. I think two things here. One thing that about the climate. So the other thing is I don't want to crash. Maybe my tires crash. Boom. I don't know how you say it. Sorry about my English. But yeah, I think the 80 is good. Yeah, when you drive a truck without coffee, no. Oh, special in the morning. You see here, dollar O, Huddinge, Jordbro. So I will take this way, the right side. So good. Here, the left side you can go to dollar O, on the right side you can go to Huddinge and Jordbro. Jajamän. Yes, my friends, I will hear Jordbro just now. So I gonna drive the inside, hands on the schon. So I don't wanna take a video with the inside here, hands on the schon. So thank you that you followed me all the way here. So have a nice day. Bye bye.